E aí rapaziada, beleza? Barber aqui para trazer mais um vídeo incrível. Um vídeo para você que quer mudar o visual, tá procurando algum corte de cabelo, você está no lugar certo. Corte de cabelo para todos os tipos de cabelo, crespo, cacheado ou liso. Então se você não é inscrito, se inscreve, deixa o like e ativa a
I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. See you move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. See my truck popping, pocket, sola, 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 sola. Your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a truck popping, pocket, sola, 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 sola. Sola, 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 sola. Sola, 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 sola. Sola, sola, sola. Sola, 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 sola.
Somehow I woke up out in Beverly, fucked up, smelling like that bourbon, and I end up alone. I'm not certain. Yeah, the girls impolite in the club every night. That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect. Hollywood perfect. That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect. Ain't got no place to call my own. Feels like I'm better off alone. So sad inside and hopeless. These Hollywood hoes never notice. Can't get back on. You're gone, girl, I miss you. Can't get back on. You're gone, girl, I miss you. Somehow I woke up out in Beverly, fucked up, smelling like that bourbon, and I end up alone. I'm not certain. Yeah, the girls impolite in the club every night. That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect. Hollywood perfect. That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect. Woke up out in Beverly, fucked up, smelling like that bourbon, how'd I end up alone? I'm not certain. Yeah, the girls impolite in the club every night. Somehow I woke up out in Beverly, fucked up, smelling like that bourbon, how'd I end up alone? I'm not certain. Yeah, the girls impolite in the club every night. That's how it goes.
Fala rapaziada que ficou até o final. Se você gostou do vídeo, deixa aquele like, que é muito importante. E até o
Hollywood perfect. Hollywood perfect. That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect.